How to change Snapchat profile picture. This tutorial shows you how to update your Snapchat profile photo on your Android device. First, open the Snapchat application on your Android device. Next, tap on your profile icon at the top left corner. Following that, you'll be taken to your Snapchat profile page. Now, tap on your current profile picture or Bitmoji at the center. Moving forward, you'll see options to change your profile picture. Tap on Create Bitmoji or Edit Bitmoji if you're using a Bitmoji avatar. Afterwards, you can customize your Bitmoji's appearance, outfit, and style. Make any changes you want to your Bitmoji character. Tap on the checkmark or Done when you're finished. Your new Bitmoji will now appear as your profile picture. Alternatively, if you want to use a regular photo instead of Bitmoji, go back to your profile and tap on the gear icon for settings. Scroll down and look for a Bitmoji or avatar settings. Tap on Unlink My Bitmoji if you want to remove it. Now go back to your profile and tap on your picture again. Select Take a Selfie to capture a new photo right now. Or tap on Choose from Camera Roll to select an existing photo from your gallery. Once you've selected or taken your photo, you can adjust and crop it. Tap on Save or Done to set it as your new Snapchat profile picture. And that's it. If this tutorial helped you change your Snapchat profile picture, give it a like. Subscribe for more Snapchat tips and tricks, and tap the bell icon for notifications. See you in the next one.